Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate AI photos using ChatGPT. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit chatgpt.com or you can open up ChatGPT application. And here I have already opened chatgpt.com. Then we can ask ChatGPT to generate image for us. You can either turn your photo into an AI image or you can generate image. If you want to turn your photo into an AI photo, you can click on this upload menu and then you can add photos. And you can ask ChatGPT to turn your photo into AI photo. And for me, I'm just going to add my prompt here. Okay, you can describe the image, describe an image that you want to create. And after that, you're going to click on this icon to submit the prompt to ChatGPT. Wait, I'm going to add the order, create a dreamy and enchanted for us, built with glowing magical berries flying. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this icon and ChatGPT will generate an image for us like this, and you just need to wait for a moment. It takes time, especially when you do not subscribe to ChatGPT. It will take longer time. Okay, and it's almost done, I guess. Okay guys, now it's done. This is the image generated by ChatGPT. Then if you want to download the image, you can click on this download icon and the image will be saved to your device. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.